It's Saturday, October 25th. I'm Rob Morrison. This is NPR on a Saturday. Listen, I've been telling you about 3i Atlas, the interstellar visitor in our solar system, just going around, about to reach perihelion at the sun, and there's going to be a lot going on in the future. And here's someone I respect, Professor Michio Kaku, is going to tell us what he thinks about 3i Atlas.
Right now, something is happening in our solar system that's sending scientists scrambling for explanations. The interstellar object NASA's been tracking, 3i Atlas, is roughly the size of Manhattan and has been displaying several unusual movements and features which kind of defy typical behavior of comets. It's even catching the attention of some military analysts. So what does this mean for all of us here on Earth? And what can this mysterious object tell us about what's outside our own solar system? Let's ask physics professor at the City College of New York, and he's a New York Times best-selling author of Quantum Supremacy, Michio Kaku. So this mystery object has been added to the International Asteroid Warning Network. That's the first interstellar object ever to make that list. So I gotta ask you, what the heck is 3i Atlas, and why the clouds of mystery around it? NASA's like tight-lipped.
Well, there's a split in the astronomical community. The majority faction says, what's all the fuss about? I mean, it's just a rock from outer space, and it's going to come through our solar system for the first time and then come whizzing back out again. It's the third known object from outside our solar system, so what's the fuss? Another faction, however, says, now wait a minute. Perhaps this is a visitor, an intelligent visitor from another solar system, and perhaps this week we can have a test of it. That's right. This week, it turns out that the asteroid or comet will be whizzing around our sun, and if it picks up extra energy on its flyby, that would clinch it. That means there's extraterrestrial intelligence involved. So watch for it. On October 30th, starting then, we're going to track it to see whether it gets an extra boost of energy. If so, it means we are being visited.
Oh, so, okay, if it's not a giant rock, and it could be a sign of life out there, something's got to be steering it, right?
That's right. And as it goes around the sun, there's something called the Oberth effect. The Oberth effect says that if you were to whip around the sun, you would pick up extra energy in the process. So we're going to watch for it. The energy in must equal the energy out, according to the ordinary theory. But if that's not true, if there's more energy going out than in, it means that there's energy boost coming from whipping around the sun, and that requires intelligence. And so that's one acid test that we can make. Watch for it starting this week. We're going to begin to monitor and see whether or not it picks up extra energy as it whips around the sun.
So it's Wednesday, right? October 29th. I think it goes the closest point to the sun. Is that right?
That's right. That's the perihelion.
Okay.
And at that point, if it picks up extra energy, that's outside the ordinary bounds of the conservation of energy. So watch for it. As it whips around the sun, if it picks up extra energy, bingo. It means there's intelligent life that is guiding the motion of this object.
This is interesting. I love this stuff. So,
you heard it here. Professor Michio Kaku himself says it could be aliens on this thing. We're going to have to see right after Halloween. Trick or treat, right? Now look at here. I'm a man of many hats. It is Saturday. So you know what that means? It means yes, the Alabama Crimson Tide, night number 4, is going to be taking on the South Carolina Gamecocks. It don't seem fair, does it? Our mascot, an elephant, fighting a chicken. No contest. It's over with. Can I get a roll tide? Games on ABC at 2:30. Kickoff's about to happen, y'all.